you how to create Google Forms. First of all, you have to log in into your Google Chrome. Once you're in this page, on your top right corner, you can see a 9 dot icon. You just have to click on it and scroll all the way down until you find Forms. Now you have to click on Forms. Once you're here, it will show you various templates to create a form. Now what you have to do is select a blank form if you want to create a new one, but you can also expand this template gallery and use any of these forms if it matches your needs. But we're going to create a new form, so I'm going to click on blank form. And here you will get to create a new form for yourself. Over here you can give a title to your form. I'm just going to write company name here, and you can also add a description over here. Now you can start adding questions to your form. So what you have to do is click on this button and type in your question. And you can select your answer type from this button. So I just wrote name here, which pretty much have a short answer. So I'm just going to click on short answer. Now here you can see a required button. So when you push this button, this question will be required to answer. Now we have added the first question to our form. So in order to add another question, you just have to click on this plus icon here, and you will be given a space to create a second question. And again, we're going to repeat the same steps and enter our question, and then select our answer type, which is short answer, and then push the required button. Now once again, we're doing the same steps and adding one more question. And we're going to create a multiple choice question here. You can enter your option from here and then select on add options to add a second option. And again, we're going to push the required button. And once you're done with all of your questions, on the top right corner here, you can see customize theme. You can click on it. And here you can customize your own Google Forms. Now you can change your text style from here and also choose an header image. Here I'm just going to select this one and click on insert. Now you can also add colors to match your theme, and I'm going to select this one here. You can also add background color. Once you have completed your customization, you can click on send. Here you will be shown various options to share your form. You can directly share it through email. You just have to enter the email address of the person and click on send here. Now you can also copy the link from here and then send it through personal messages. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope this was helpful.